Are you a law firm struggling with your marketing to generate high quality leads? Not sure what to do, blogging, email marketing, paid ads. There's so many ways you can generate leads. But in this video, I'm going to show you a single channel which works really well for us. We do this regularly to generate leads or sales. And that is the power of blogging. Now, I see this with a lot of law firms that their blogging is not very consistent. What I mean by this is they will blog a couple of times, then they won't have anything uploaded for a few days or weeks, and then they'll start again. You've got to be consistent. It's like going to the gym. You can't get the results if you just go for a couple of times and then go to the gym, and then after 30 days, you go back in. Got to do small things, small amount of exercises for a consistently longer period of time. So why do you need to do blogging for your law firm? The first thing is it builds trust and authority. It shows you as an expert. People, when they search on Google and your blog post is indexed in Google, they will see you as an expert, as an authority that, yes, you know your stuff and you know what you're talking about. What you want to do is to publish high quality, helpful content, because somebody is going to Google to search for a solution to their problem. If that solution is in your blog post, that is going to engage them and hopefully convert them into an inquiry or a lead. So helpful content, you can create something like demystifying legal terms and jargons, how to get started, and simple stuff like that. You don't need to showcase case studies as such, but just simple tips as to what are the steps someone needs to take to get started with hiring an attorney or solving a problem to their solution. So as you keep on uploading blog content on your website, Google and other search engines and AIs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, Claude, they will start to get indexed. Your content will get indexed in all these places. And the more you get indexed, the more traffic you're going to get generated for your website, and the more you are going to get seen and get found organically. Yes, you can run paid ads, but as you may well know, the cost per click for legal firms and law firms are very expensive. Obviously, it is all relevant to how much you can potentially earn, but these clicks are not very cheap. Now, this is a way of getting free traffic to your website. Well, I'm saying free, actually it's not free, because obviously you need to put in some resources and money into blogging and creating content. You'll have to pay somebody, you'll have to hire somebody to get these done. But it's going to boost your SEO, your local SEO, which is critical to get found, especially if you are a law firm in Manchester. You need to get found when somebody is searching for divorce lawyer Manchester and those kind of search terms which somebody is looking for. So you've got to be visible for your local and niche services and market. And the best way to do that is to keep uploading your content on your website. It's not rocket science, it's not difficult, but it is just being a bit consistent, and you're going to start to get results. Just like in gym, you won't get the results quickly. You keep on doing it, going to the gym every few times a week for 2 months or 3 months, you start to see results that, yes, I'm getting fitness, losing weight, getting my six pack or whatever you're looking for. And what this will do is going to attract you qualified leads. You're going to reach clients regularly. They will find you. You're going to get leads and hopefully get the conversions, what you are looking for. So for your long-term ROI and lead generation, content marketing and blogging is one of the best ways to generate high quality leads. Once you upload a blog on your website, it is kind of like an evergreen piece of content. It just sits there Google is going to rank you in search engine, and then for months and months and years to come, you will generate traffic. And if you find that your rankings are dropping off, you can create or edit that piece of content, add a bit more. So, for example, if you had written a blog post about top 10 tips on how to hire an attorney or a lawyer, and you were ranking very well, but somebody came up with top 20 tips. So to combat that, because somebody has pushed you down, what you need to do is to create a bigger, better piece of content so you can potentially make top 30 tips and so on. So it is kind of like a boxing match. Once anyone gets ranked in Google, it doesn't mean that they're going to stay there forever. So the fittest and the most strongest will stay to the top, and the others will start to get knocked down because they cannot compete. Your website is too strong. Google knows you're a trusted lawyer or attorney, and your content is very good. It solves other people's problems. You are very helpful, and they're going to reward you with higher rankings. So you then start to convert visitors to your website into potential leads or clients because you are generating those highly qualified leads. So I would highly recommend you have a look at starting blogging. If you are struggling, give us a shout and we'll be able to help you with that. So thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.